Hamsi ballar, şu tekst qaranglar. Şu biz tekstni bir o'rganib chiqsak. Xo'sh, avval hamsi mushniki bir qisqagina kartun filmini ko'rib o'tgandan keyin boshlasak. Listen carefully.
Lesson 43. Hurry up. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. How do you know Sam doesn't make the tea very often?
Can you make the tea, Sam?
Yes, of course I can, Penny. Is there any water in this kettle?
Yes, there is.
Where's the tea?
It's over there, behind the teapot. Can you see it?
I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea.
There it is. It's in front of you.
Ah, yes. I can see it now. Where are the cups?
There are some in the cupboard. Can you find them?
Yes, here they are.
Hurry up, Sam. The kettle's boiling.
Okay, and if you finish, let's get the ball rolling. Okay, I'm setting some more stuff together, so this time. And the birinci cümlesini nerede sanlar? Can you make the tea, Sam? Okay. Can you make the tea, Sam? All right. And the müşerike make the tea deganimiz çay demlemek. Can you make the tea, Sam? Siz çay demleyelemsiz, Sam? Depti. Okay. And the can you make coffee bo'lsa, make coffee deganimiz qahva demlemek. Okay. I want to make water deb qo'ygan savodashdan bor, make water. And bu make water deganda bu çay demlesh olmasdan balki nima kichik ta'rif qilmoq degan gap. Hargiz can you make the water demaymiz, ha? Voy, kichik ta'rif qila olamsiz demaymiz-ku buni. Şunu make tea, çay demlemek, make coffee, qahva demlemek degandek, ha? Okay. So can you make the tea, Sam? Voy, çay demleye olamsiz, Sam desa. Of course I can, Penny. Deydi. Albatta. Demleyelim Penny. Acaba so'rabdi, demleyelaydigan odamlar qanaqa qilmaydi desanglar, siz choy demleyelemsiz demaydi, shunami? Yes, of course I can, Penny. Albatta demleyelayman. So is there any tea in this kettle? Hamda bu chaynakda ozroq suv bormi? Okay, endi men savol jumlaga kelganda is there asli there be shaklini oldingi darslarimiz o'rgangan bor degan gap bor endi. Demakchi there is some tea in the kettle and the chaynakda ozroq choy bor. Endi chaynakda ozroq choy bormi demoqchi bo'lsak, shu BP'ni oldiga o'tib ketdik. Demak, is there any tea in the kettle? Yoki any tea in this kettle? Endi mishariki any. Alright. Any deganimiz hamda ma'o savol jumlalar bilan inkor jumlalari. Any keladi. Masalan, bo'lishliq jumlalar ko'rsangiz some. Some kelgan gap. Is there any tea in this kettle? Desa, yes there is. Javob bergan yes. Bor. Demak, there is some water in the kettle. Hamda mishariki some bo'lishliq jumlalar. Hamda men birinchi jumlada some water degan tilga ilinib qoldi. Shunam water hamda shunaki ikkinchisi qisqarib yes there is deganlar qolib qoldi. Yes, there is. So where is the tea? Wait, amsa choy qayerda? Where is the tea? It's over there. And over degan pistlar degan gap. Over there. Demak, oh yeah. Biz o'g'ir tilda oh yeah deb ko'rsamizmi? Shuni over there deymiz. Demak, it's over there. It's over there. Over. And the on o'qigan bo'lsa, masalan, birisini o'stirmada tegishib turgan bo'lsa, on ma'no nima? Over. Shunami? Bo'shliq bor. Behind the teapot. Behind degani abay o'rgandoq nima keyinida. Ana behind the teapot bo'lsa, chaynakning keyinida. Ham choy qaynatgan chaynak keyinida bo'lsa, behind the kettle. Behind the kettle. Can you see it? Can you see it? Ko'ra oladingizmi? Desa, I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea. Men choy chaynakini ko'ra oldim, biroq choyni ko'ra olmadim. I can see the teapot, but I can't see the tea. Hamsi men seriq mashinani ko'ra oldim, lekin qizilini ko'rolmadim. Buni nima deymiz? I can see the yellow car, but I can't see the red. The red. Aldık bu şu article dön aldık şunamı. Demek hem de the red degen şu qizili. Haqiqi şu qizil mashinani ko'rsatdi. Tushundingmi? I can see the yellow car, but I can't see the red one desam bo'ladi. A red one. And the car ikkinchi ishlatishga bo'lmaydi. Aldi men nima ko'raman, lekin biraqani ko'rolmadim. There it is. Oy mana, shunami? Oy mana qo'y deb ko'rsatib qo'yibdi, shunami? There it is. Demak, it's there. Oy u bo'lsa oyat. Demakchi, shu oyat deb, mana qo'y. There it is. It's in front of you. Oy u sizning oldingizda. Yani in front of you bilan in front of la in the front of o'xshamaydi, shunami? In front of degan ma'lum bir narsaning oldir bo'lsa in front of bo'l. In the front of degan ma'lum narsaning ichining oldir bo'lsa. Alaylik. Masalan, bir odam avtobusning oldida turgan bo'lsa, mana in front of the bus deymiz. Agar avtobusning ustiga chiqib oldirib o'tgan bo'lsa, shoferning o'rnida o'tgan bo'lsa, nima? In the front of. Misha front degan o'rniga the article the-ni qanday qilamiz? Qatimiz. Demek şuna in the front of, okay, in the front of you. Oh yes, I can see it now. Oh, to'g'ri, endi ko'ra oldim. I can see it now. Where are the cups? Wait, qani bu? Stakanlar, shunami? Where are the cups? Desa, there are some in the cupboard. Endi mau chinaqach ishkavning ichida azroq nima deydi? Azroq bor. There are some in the cupboard. There are some in the cupboard. Can you find them? Oy tapalaringizmi? Can you find them? Yes. Here they are. Mana ular debdi, shunami? Hurry up, Sam. Chaqqaroq bo'ling, Sam. The kettle is boiling. Bu chaynak qaynab ketdi. Demak, the kettle is nima? Boiling. Hurry up, Sam. The kettle is boiling. Bu chaynak qaynab ketdi.